Hey guys, this is Rachel here today. I'm back with another video, and I got Gemma. So I just recorded a video on my camera.
Yeah.
And then it died as soon as I was just about to end it, and it died. So I don't know if it's saved, but if it did, I will definitely post it. So yeah. I'll show you my new camera. This is my new camera. It's not supposed to be like this, but see, this is what I recorded on. Right here. Now I'm recording on my phone. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, we will actually be doing a lot of fun stuff today. Like, I mean a lot. And this time it doesn't have to reconnect because we're not doing live. So yeah, we got some slime here. We just did a video on the camera. I don't know if it's saved yet, but when I put new batteries in, I will check it. Or wait. I think I can check it right now. So I gotta.
So,
It's my new camera.
while she's doing that, I'll be doing stuff that I can do on here. So, yeah, basically.
Y'all might be able to see her.
In some videos.
It's saved! Guys, it's saved. It's right there. There's another one of me.
That one, I think, is what we did.
No.
Which one?
When did I take it? This one's the one we did.
Okay, I want to watch it.
I don't know how to play it. How do you play it?
Play shuttle.
M? No, that's not it. Okay, how do we play this thing? How do you freaking play this thing?
You guys might hear some little sensors. They aren't really bad words, but you guys might hear them. So, yeah, like all we say in here is like flicking and clap. So,
Wait, I'm playing it, but there's no sound.
yeah.
Okay, wait. Stop!
What the heck am I doing?
Oh, hi guys. Just trying to figure out.
We could probably like show you stuff. So,
Yeah, you can just take them.
so while she's doing that stuff, soon we're going to show you what we're going to do. Okay. Anyways, want me to show you the backyard? Okay. Here's what we're on. Guys might not see it a bunch. There's the slide, that yellow thing that you probably see. Wait. You might see it or not. But anyways, there's the trampoline. You might have already saw it, but if you haven't, there's the seesaw. You might not see it, but anyways, I can go on it quick. Instead of really using it like with the two people, I'm gonna do something that I like to do on it, that I want like yesterday to do it. So yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so look at it. That's beautiful. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna put you guys right here. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, I know, it's really fun. This side is hotel, so yeah. It's like I'm doing stairs, but with no stair steps. So, yeah, that was what I did. Now I'm going to do it one more time with me doing this, so. Yeah, if you didn't see it, too bad. Sorry, but you might want to pause stuff in this video because some of it is like really awesome. Yeah, trust me, we're going to have me on here for a long time. Going to have me on for like 15 minutes. Oh yeah, here's the swings. And here's the monkey ball. And here's the house. I'm not going to show you all the sides because that would take me a long time, so yeah. I'm on the swing right now. So, yeah. Okay. Well, break time is done, so I gotta go make a video with Haley.
You are making a video with me.
I know. Activities. Show them the video.
Okay, I actually, I don't know how to put sound on it, but look, it says Ziploc. Are you ready to take this out and say Ziploc? It's so funny. Like, it says it's the exact same as the lid. Da-da-da.
No, it looks like it says Ziplon or something different. What the heck? Guys, pop it. Okay, so we're going to make a slime video.
We already did.
Oh yeah. Yep.
It's saved. I will have to put it on the computer later. Y'all will be able to see that later. I'm actually really glad that it's saved. And actually, Gemma, do you have a YouTube channel, Gemma?
I don't have it, but my sister does.
Okay, so I'm going to sign you into my channel, and you can make videos on it, okay? But the intro is always, hi guys, it's the Zippy Shows, okay?
Okay. So, like, hey guys, welcome to Zippy Shows, and today I'm making this video. Zippy Shows is from the creator, Haley Jackson.
Well, you don't say that. All you say is like, hey guys, it's the Zippy Shows. Or like, hi guys, it's the Zippy Shows. And welcome to Zippy Shows. Or something like that. But it has to have Zippy Shows in it.
Okay. So like, hey guys, welcome to Zippy Shows. And today I'll be making this video. So, yeah. Fools. No, I'm just kidding. Zippy Shows loves you. Not all of you people, though. Sometimes people are like stalkers or bad guys.
Okay, if you want to switch, we can. You're playing with the wrong slime, Gemma. That's the sticky slime.
No, it isn't. It isn't sticking to me.
Oh yeah, I gotta show you. Gemma, I can't just have it all on me. Put your tongue in that mouth. Put that on your face. Don't.
Look like the tongue right now.
Pop. 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 Pop.
Why did you do that? to be show fans?
It's still me. Ow! I'm sorry. Your dad's never gonna let me play with you again. Oh my gosh, Gemma, it's stuck in your hair. It's kind of hurt. I'm sorry. It won't come out. It's literally stuck.
Wait.
I think your dad's coming. Okay, bye guys. See you probably never again. Bye.